changing a tube on an Inokim quick. When you have a flat tire or a slow leak, the tube needs to be replaced. To remove the front wheel, you will need a 10M wrench and a crescent wrench. First, open the V-brake by releasing the cable noodle from the arm. Use the 10M wrench to loosen the axle nuts while holding the axle in place with a crescent wrench. The wheel is now free to drop out of the fork. To remove the rear wheel, you will need a 3M Allen key and a socket wrench. Use the 3M Allen key to remove the rear covers on both sides. On the right side, unplug the motor. Using the socket wrench, loosen the bolts on both sides of the axle until the tab washers can be pulled free from the scooter body. Then pull the wheel from the fork. Now to remove the tube, you must free the tire from the wheel. First, release all air from the tube. Take a pair of tire irons to the side opposite of the valve. Free the tire over the wheel rim. Then remove the tube. Replace with a new tube. Tuck the tube into the wheel, making sure that the tube sits inside of the rim. Secure the tire back in the rim with the tire irons, making sure that the tube is not pinched by the tire. Inflate the tube to 40 psi. Next, reinstall the wheel. For the rear wheel, slide the wheel into the fork. Make sure that the tab washers fit in their slots before tightening the axle nuts. Next, plug in the motor connection, making sure that the arrows line up. To reinstall the front wheel, place the wheel in the fork. Make sure a single washer sits between the fork and the nut on either side. The left side has a total of 3 washers. Tighten axle nuts with a 10M wrench, holding the axle in place with the crescent wrench. Reattach the brake by placing the noodle in the brake arm and fastening the cable. Take care not to over-torque any screw or nut.